Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen every day to prepare healthy meals? Well, worry no more. We have the perfect solution.
For you, easy meal?
Prep with Indian recipes. With just a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals throughout the week. To get started, pick a variety of Indian recipes that you love, whether it's a flavorful curry, a nourishing lentil dish, or a fragrant rice pilaf. Choose recipes that are easy to make and can be stored well. This will ensure that your meals remain fresh and appetizing throughout the week. Next, make a detailed meal plan for the week. Divide your meals into breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and choose recipes accordingly. Consider incorporating a mix of vegetarian and non-vegetarian options to keep things interesting. Once you have your meal plan, create a shopping list with all the ingredients you'll need. This will save you time and prevent any last-minute trips to the grocery store. Make sure to include staple Indian ingredients such as spices, lentils, rice, and vegetables in your list. Now it's time to prep. Dedicate a specific day or time to prepare your meals for the week. Start by chopping vegetables, marinating meat if you're including it, and cooking any sauces or gravies that can be stored. This will make assembling your meals a breeze throughout the week. Invest in good quality food. Storage containers that are airtight and freezer safe. Portion out your prepared meals into these containers, labeling them with the dish name and date. This will help you stay organized and make it convenient to grab a meal when you need it. When it's time to eat, simply reheat your prepped meals and enjoy the flavors of Indian cuisine without the fuss of cooking from scratch every day. You'll save both time and effort while still nourishing your body with healthy and homemade meals. So get ready to simplify your mealtime routine with easy meal prep and Indian recipes. With a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy a week's worth of delicious and nutritious meals without any hassle. Get started today and experience the joy of stress-free cooking.